Check it out. Check it out. How do you do your camera? Okay. Here's a little brain buster for you. Say you got a bird and a squirrel, right? But I don't know if this is focused. Oh boy. Squirrel and a bird, right? And in this hypothetical situation, it could be a squirrel, it could be a bird, it could be one, it could be both. I think the situation I'm presenting, there is just one creature. And basically what I'm trying to segue into, but I'm failing at, is what do you think of when you say, if someone told you it was a bird-like squirrel? You would think flying squirrel, right? Of course you would. But what if they said, I saw a squirrel-like bird? What would you think of? I mean, and I was going over a couple different options, right? It could be like an ostrich. Or actually, my first thought was maybe a woodpecker, because squirrels, are always climbing up trees, and the bird, I mean, lots of birds are in trees, but I feel like if you just think of a bird on the side of a tree, you're thinking like woodpecker, because it's on the tree. But I was also thinking ostrich because it's just ugly. It's just ugly, and it's like furry, and squirrels' faces are kind of ugly. I mean, at least compared to birds' faces. Most birds, maybe not an ostrich face, but you get the point I'm trying to make, right? I didn't really think of any other ones, but if any biological scientist or whatever that is finds this and can answer the question, I would love to know.